to fix Facebook Lite not sending messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone. Search for apps and notifications and click on apps and notifications. In here, click on Facebook Lite. Then you'll find storage and cache. Click on storage and cache, which is the third option. Then click on clear cache at the top. After you have cleared the cache, go back and then click on force stop. Press on OK and you're good to go. If it still does not fix your problem, open Play Store and search Facebook Lite. And if there is update instead of open, simply click on update and update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause problem. This is how to fix Facebook Lite not sending messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.